Ha? Busy ka? Sige sa aga na lang. Sige man sa aga. Tabong ko lang.
Napanakot. Hi, Jay. Wait lang.
Biglan. Kuya Dre, kumusta? Okay naman po. Kape. Thank you po. Super chat. Thank you, Biglan. Thank you so much. Super chat, super sticker, and membership are available. Everyone. Tap the dollar sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you so much. We're back. Yeah, we're back. Hinga ko sa'yo. Hi, Frank. Hello, Frank. Hi, Colleen. Mark James message. Thank you for joining. Kape. Kape.
Sa wala. At yung ngayon sa sunod.
Oo.
Natag.
Thank you so much, 9 likes.
Nalaan kamahawan. Kape.
Thank you so much for watching that. 17 people. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, watch me well. Watch me well. Thank you. Lollipop. Lollipop. Hi, Carlos. Lowe's. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Which country is this? Philippines. Philippines, Pereira, Tomas. You are so beautiful. Can dance well. Thank you, Kosh. You are so beautiful. You can dance well. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Baho nga doon banda.
Hi, sure thing. Wait lang. Thank you, sure thing. Thank you for Thank you for the gift. Hello, Cheryl. What are your plans today? Plans today? Mini plans today. Many things to do. You are so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. 32 people. What you wear? What's me name? What's your name? What's your name? Thank you so much. 32 people in the house. Oh, my 11 likes. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Hey, hi. Then like and subscribe. Thank you. Virgil Kawasaki. He's right. You truly are a beautiful lady. Thank you, Virgil. Hell. Marcos Pisado Santor. I bet becoming addicted to you can be fun. Can be fun. Marcos, hola. Hi. Hello. 30 people in the house. 12 likes. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? What a blessed morning. Oh my god, 42 people in the house. Thank you so much. 42 people. Oh my god, it's because of the lights. Hello, my friends. So warm. Sun warm. Jan Kawal. Kilili, kilili. Kilikili. 15 people. Likes. 15 likes. Wow, lovely. 40 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you to those who sending the love, the heart. Thank you. Wow, 48 people. Morning. Good morning to you. Cause you really loves me. Can I? Hi, I'm back again. Ali Chakayan. Ali Chakayani, 49 people. Kuripot buang, kumusta? Okay naman. Ikaw, kumusta din? Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, guys. Jack, hello, good day. Hi, Jack. No, good. Ano pa ba? Breast pa to. Oh, thank you. We both. Thank you, Kuya Putbuang. Thank you so much. Good morning. Hello, friends. I'm from Thailand. Hi, from Thailand. Good morning. Good morning. San Warma. Bastos Manyakis. Kaya nga, para, siguro hindi pa yun nakakita. Or baka confused lang siya kung maliit or malaki. Maliit yan. Puro yan Puro yan paddings pa. Good morning from Thailand. Hello ate, good morning. Magandang umaga. Happy New Year po from Kuya Jello. Ayan na naman tayo eh. Lalin, jilo naman to eh. You're from India. Sawadi Krop, Thailand. Ulit-ulit yan, Lalin. Walang ibang Happy New Year, advance Happy New Year. Oh, sino yung mapagbigay pang New Year, baka naman. Pang New Year, pambili ng prutas, pang salad, graham. Pang graham ba? Mahal ang sahog ng graham. Hello everyone from Thailand. Colleen, busy girl. I am your big fan. Thank you, Crushy Kataria. Thank you, Crushy. 20 likes. How many siblings do you have? We have 9 siblings. We are 5 sisters and 4 brothers. 9 siblings. Thank you, 53 people in the house. Thank you so much. Bros De Forest. Hi, Bros De Forest. Wow, 9. Yeah, that's a lot. Yes, that's a lot. 65 people in the house. Oh my God, thank you so much.
65 mama views, ma?
Yeah. Oh, viewers. Thank you
First time,
pa.
mama. First time.
Neri,
Ang pera na mama
Jack.
nabutan mo.
Jack. Hi, Jack. Where are you from, Jack? Hi. Thank you from Thailand. Po, San Juan po. Your hair is beautiful. Thank you. 63 people. Are you the eldest? No, I am the oldest sister. I'm the youngest sister. I'm the youngest. I need to buy breakfast. God, thank you, Rana. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you. How did you know you are good luck? Thank you. Let's breakfast. Thank you, Ronald. Yeah, anytime I have made a super chat or PayPal donation, it came back to me tenfold. Tenfold. Thank you, Sir Ronald. Thank you, Ronald. I see you the live directly across from a basketball court. Yeah. Yes. That the basketball court is like that. I'm off the live, Mom Cheryl. Time to work for me. Ah, sorry, Kuya. Um, what should I say? Take care. God bless, Kuya. Thank you for joining. At least you passing by here, my live. Thank you so much, Kuya Dre. God bless. Sobra menu, Mal. Thank you. Hey, Jimmy Moore. Jimmy Moore, give me more. Thank you for...
Mama, ngayon!
Ayo! Ayo! Oh my God.
Karaway ka. Aray mo, papak. Aray mo,
Oh my
papak.
God. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Hi, Simon. Living across from a basketball court can be nerve-wracking. Yeah. Dubrasan, hello, Feliz Ano Novo 2026. Happy New Year in advance. What you eating? I eat kachinta. It's called kakanin. Martin Laforte, double tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you. How long have you been living there? Since birth, I'm living here. But when I graduated in high school, I'm going to Manila to work. I just came here in 2020. Mm. I live in Manila more than maybe how many? 15 years living in Manila. Thank you so much for joining. 26 people in the house. Ay, dito lang nga lang. Wait.
Ipanit mo. Ano na? Ma.
Huh? How long? It's a lot better in the countryside than in Manila, yeah. People are much nicer, yeah. People are much nicer here. In Manila, lots of toxic people there because of very, the expensive cost of living. Crochet Cataria. Hi, Crochet.
Baka na ako burger tas super tayo.
Hello, Beck Best. Thank you. 28 people in the house. Oh my god. One song? What one song? What song? How is the store doing? Still open. If I have, no, if I save money, I sell something here because of the people easy to buy. They will buy. I will get the customer. Yun hali yung karta mo.
Sa'yo mo.
Hmm.
95 tulos.
31 likes. Thank you. "26 people in the house." Gapas. Oo. Gapas lang. Ma-elevate ka. Too loud here. Too loud here because of kids playing basketball. Me gusta mucho. Me gusta mucho. James Jacob. Pedro Salva. Hi. Thank you. Thank you, James Jacob. Go show him how to shoot basketball.
I know how to shoot basketball. Oh my god. Eat well. Thank you, James. When provecho amar. When provecho amar. Thank you, 25 people. Edgar Baselo fellow. How are you, Edgar? I'm from Brazil. Edgar. 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 Thank you so much. 25 people in the house. Thank you. Oh my God, 41. Hi. Thank you so much. 41 and 33 likes. Happy. Sinong may sabi, nagkakating labi. Thank you so much. 39. 34 likes. Gisini. Hi, Gisini. I love my like myself. Thank you, Gisini. Hello, Hermana. Hi, hello, Valentin Damas. Danzi. Augustaza. Hello, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. You are pretty woman. Thank you, Edgar. Pretty woman. The street and pretty woman. Thank you so much. Pedro. Where are you from, Pedro? Salvador Bahia, Brazil. Hi from Brazil, Anton Zuz. Anton Zuz. Do you have your passport now? Not yet passport. Why not? I don't know. If I'm going working abroad, I will get the passport, but or I travel something like that. For traveling, no, low budget. For working abroad, Not yet. Hi, Ron Rex. Adorable. I would marry you for real. Why? Why you say that? Ron Rex. Don't you want to travel outside of? I want to travel, but easy to. Yes, I want to travel, but the problem is the budget. She needs a motorbike first. Yeah, I need motorbike to drive. Hello, Cheryl from Kentucky. Bye. I want a motorbike, car, home from America. Thank you, 36 people, 36 likes. Forty-three people in the house. Thank you so much. Can you drive a motorbike? I will. I try sometimes. 54 people. Oh my god, thank you. Hit the likes, guys. Janderson. Very Aduak Wasi. Amiga Hermosa. Disculpa. What it means. What it means. 45 people in the house. 38 likes. Thank you so much. 'Cause if you really love me, can get to love me. Burnett Webster, hello, beautiful. Thank you, Burnett. Burnett. Thank you. 51 people in the house. 51 people in the house. I'm sure your future foreigner boyfriend will handle your traveling budget. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Lucius Sahabu, Abel Picardo Garnega, Paula Amor, Paula Amor. Estás bien hermosa corazón. Especially if you're traveling as a couple. How I wish. How I wish. Show me those. Oh my god. 39 likes. Thank you so much. Love me harder, love me harder. What's for breakfast? It's like cochinita. It's like rice with coconut milk, something like that. Thank you, Abel. Love me hard and hard. When I find my future Filipino girlfriend, I want us to travel Southeast Asia together. Wow. Good luck to you, Sherpling. I know you will find many Filipino are beautiful and kind. But be careful. Eres una delicia de mujer amor. Thank you. I love you so. 40 likes. Pedro Salva, thank you. So you really love me. 32, 32 people in the house. Thank you so much. I want her to look exactly like you. No one like me. I'm only one. Hi, Brazil. Psycardo. Psycardo. MX87. Thank you. Thank you, guys. 42 likes. 30 people. That was a nice comeback. Yeah. Hello, good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, Fran, Nichols. Lola, 13. 20 minutes. Russell, 22. 19.
Papapakarin ka mo!
36 people in the house. Thank you so much. This is from Italy. Hi. Guess Paula. Guess Paula from Italy. Janderson, how long does it take you to get to Manila? How long does it take you? I'm sorry. Oh my god. I don't understand. Sorry. Can you see it? I'm, I'm easy to understand. Sorry. She back. Hi, Golden. Oh my god. Well, there's nothing more seductive than an intelligent, beautiful young lady with a sharp tongue. With a sharp tongue. Sharp. Sharp. Thank you. Thank you. Someone who's sending the heart. Thank you so much. How many hours that it take you to travel to? Okay. From here. Oh my god, sorry. Maybe 15 hours because of the traffic. Sometimes 16 on the bus. But if airplane, maybe airplane 4 hours the airplane. But on the bus, maybe 15, 16, 17, something like that because traffic. Hello from Colombia. He's mystery. My phone like you. Lul, golden. Pedro. So, Eunice Agalos. Hi, Eunice. Ron Brax. Thank you, Ron Brax. How many times have you been to Manila? When I'm after high school graduate, I'm going to Manila for for work. I'm living in Manila in more than 15 years. More than 15 years I'm living in Manila. Why should I marry you? Alexandre Ferrer. Morning, Eunice. 41 people. Oh my god, thank you so much. Hello from Dominican Republic. Hi, Rubin from Dominican Republic. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. How old are you, Idol? I'm 40 years old. I'm turning to 41 this coming February 2nd.
Five.
Juan Antonio Espinosa. Hello. Okay. Getting old. Getting old now. 48 likes. Thank you so much. Did you work when you live in Manila? Yes, I'm working in Manila. When I live in Manila, I'm working there. Because need to work there because of the cost of living. Expensive cost of living in Manila. Pay the bills, the rent of the home, water, electric bill, food, travel expenses. Oh my god, something like that. My finger is getting tired from pressing the heart button. Ah, it's you. Thank you, sure thing. I thought she was about 26 or 27. I'm 40. I'm turning 41 next year, February. Ma Oh my god, Mart Commando. Bawal dito ang baliw. Alam mo ba yan? Bawal dito ang manyakes. Mart Commando, bawal dito ang manyak, toxic, baliw. Alam mo ba? Hindi ka nararapat dito. Hanap ka ng kauri mo. Lollipop. Hi. Is there anything you miss about living in Manila? Yes, I miss living in Manila when I get a salary 15 to 13 every month. 15 twice a month I get paid, but I miss the boss because when they get me tip when I do something there. They give me a tip for hard work, a little hard work there. They give me a tip from my boss. Paluwaya mangga, bara mo mambaga nakaano ako. What you want for your birthday? For my birthday. I want mini. I want scooter. I want laptop. Healthy, stay healthy. Financial freedom. Financial stable, like I pay the debt, the bills, something. No worries about no worries about the money. That's why. Oh my God, the country money back then. Yes, the Philippines, Robin, the Philippines. 190. Lucas Alves Ferreira. I want to finish this my room. I want to finish the wall. So if I know, if I save a little money. Sige, goodbye. Sige, idol, bye. Bye, God bless you. Thank you, Eunice Agalos. Thank you for joining here. God bless you too. Hello, good morning, Jay. I'm Dubai. You are from Dubai. You're not Dubai. You are from Dubai. Salikram, you are from Dubai. You are not Dubai, okay? Thank you to the 7 people. 49 likes. Thank you. Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the likes. 50 likes. Wow, 50 likes. Those guys play a lot of basketball outside, yeah. Filipino, they are love playing basketball. They must be really good, yeah. Filipino, they are love playing basketball. For men, for the kids, ako, no? But for the women, for the girls, they love Marites. Maritesan. How many people are living in your household? Me, I living in me, my son, my father, my mother, my nephew, my niece, my brother, brother's wife, there's daughter, my niece daughter. Oh my god, 10. They are in another room. Me, I am another room. Got people here. That's why sometimes at loud here because of we have a big family. We have a big family. My God, it's a lot. Yeah, it's a lot. That's a lot. I need to know. Just need to know. Just need to know. Can you put your love me harder? Love me harder. Love me harder. 22 people. Thank you so much. Love me harder. Love me harder. Love me harder. Love JP Johns, want me? No, 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 no. I would love to experience living in your household for a week. You will be crazy, shopping. You will be crazy here. So, oh my God, where I sleep? No space. No space for me. And that when we eat, oh my God, where's the food? Where's my food? Hi, Fred Farrell. Is that sexy lady? Thank you, Sir Fred. Good morning. Arbacel. Thank you, Sir Fred Farrell. I bet that would be a fun experience. Yeah, fun experience, but maybe you will be crazy. No need to blush, you are sexy. Thank you, Sir Fred. Israel Salva. Thank you, Sir Fred. I think the noise from the chicken would drive me crazy. Yeah, the noise from the chicken. You're a respectful couple. Thank you, Sir Fred. Everyone, stop hiding and like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, 23 people and 52 likes. Thanks so much. I see you were awake about, yeah, 2 a.m. 2 a.m. sir. Fred. I wake up early. Wake up at 2 a.m. We can have a lechon and sing karaoke all week. Yeah. Yes. Hope have a lechon. Have a good day. See you soon. Thank you, Janderson. Thank you so much for joining here. Thank- How I wish we have a lechon. My palichon. Lechon is expensive here. Thank you so much, Janderson. Okay, I woke up at 4. Ah, you woke up at 4. 28 people in the house. Thank you so much. And 52 likes. Um, I will probably have the most fun I've ever had in my life. 31 people. Thank you so much. Mr. John Dykes. Hi, Mr. John Dykes. Thank you so much for joining. I need to end the live. Hope see you next live, guys. Thank you so much for the like. 53 likes and 21 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hope see you again. Hi, Donnie. Thank you for joining. See you next time. See you next live. Bye bye, guys. I love you all. Bye bye. I have a picture. I put dog leash on lechon and was going to walk it. Oh my god. Sir Fred. Bye bye. Thank you.